In this video, we'll show you how we laid our easy roofing membrane on our Jason modern log cabin office. For a building like the Jason, we could have either used felt, easy roofing, or EPDM. Here, we've used our easy roofing, which is our mid-range option in terms of price and function. To lay the easy roofing, you'd almost treat it like you would standard roofing felt, where you ideally start at the bottom and work your way up towards the highest part of the roof. You have to ensure there's at least a 10 centimetre overlap when you're placing one roll on top of the one you did previously. The easy roofing has a self-adhesive backing. You peel off a plastic cover. Underneath it is a bitumen tar that will self-adhere to the top of the wooden roof. To help guide your overlaps, you can use a tape measure and a pencil and mark on top of the bare roof boards where the next roll of easy roofing needs to be laid. When laying the easy roofing, take your time and ensure there's no ripples or bubbles underneath as you unroll it from one side to the other. When you get to the edges, you want to make sure it's stuck deep within the corners where the eaves boards are upright. You want the easy roofing to go up and over the top of the eaves boards, so it almost creates a bowl effect on top of the roof. With that all done on all four sides, you can then place either wooden trims or our aluminium special roofing trims over the top to cap it all off.